In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to HubSpot. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can confidently invite new teammates and get them set up without any confusion. First, start by logging into your HubSpot account. You'll need the right permissions to add users, so if you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you might not have admin access. In that case, check with someone on your team who manages your account settings. Once you're in, head to the upper right corner of your HubSpot dashboard and click on your profile icon. It's the small circular avatar next to the notification bell. From the menu that appears, select Profile and Preferences. This opens your personal and account settings in a new view, where you can manage everything from your profile to your account level configuration. In the left sidebar, look for the section labeled Account Management. Under that, click on Users and Teams. This is the central place where you can see everyone who currently has access, review their permissions, and organize them into teams. It's helpful to familiarize yourself with this area because it's where you'll return to manage access as your organization grows. At the top right of the Users and Teams page, click the Add Users button. This will launch a guided process to add one or more new users. Just follow the on-screen instructions. You'll typically be asked to enter the work email addresses of the people you're inviting. You can add multiple addresses at once if you're onboarding a group. Make sure to double-check spelling so the invitations go to the right inboxes. Next, the prompts may guide you to choose permissions, roles, or templates that define what each user can see and do in HubSpot. If you're unsure, a good approach is to start with only what they need for their job and expand later if necessary. You may also have the option to assign users to teams, which helps you manage access more efficiently across departments. Take a moment to align teams and permissions with how your organization actually works. As you continue through the prompts, you'll see options to send an invitation email. This message includes instructions for the new users to accept the invite and set up their access. Before you finish, quickly review your selections to make sure everything looks right. That's it. To recap, log in, click your profile in the top right, select Profile and Preferences, go to Users and Teams under Account Management, click Add Users, and follow the guided instructions. Pause the video as needed and complete each part at your own pace. By the end, your new users will be